Chromebooks are at a crossroads, and Acer's newest model perfectly illustrates this uneasy position. I used to be a huge fan of Chromebooks, so much so that one was my primary laptop for several years. But recently, the platform seems to be losing its edge, struggling to stay relevant in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. The Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 514, with its cumbersome name, serves as a prime example of this dilemma. Right now, ChromeOS is in a state of transition, with its future direction constantly shifting. On paper, Chromebooks have never been better. As our colleague Abner Lee pointed out, the platform is packed with fresh features and is developed into a fairly compelling environment for web applications and AI integration. Plus, there's an Android foundation looming on the horizon, promising even more versatility. However, despite these software improvements, the hardware side of things has recently felt uninspired and frankly, underwhelming. The Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 514 really drove this point home for me during a quick hands-on session at IFA 2025. Powered by MediaTek's Compagno Ultra chipset, the device felt responsive and smooth. The display quality was impressive, and according to The Verge, which has had more extended access to the device, the battery life holds up well too. But when it comes to the physical build, the experience was mostly forgettable. Although the chassis is made of metal, it surprisingly feels more like plastic, with noticeable flex and lacking the solid, premium feel you'd expect from a metal laptop. The keyboard and trackpad are perfectly serviceable, but don't stand out in any meaningful way. For a Chromebook priced around $700, this level of hardware feels just average, and Acer isn't the only one missing the mark here. I've had similar impressions with Lenovo's latest Chromebook, which I've been testing intermittently over the past few weeks. To me, the idea of a premium Chromebook seems almost contradictory. ChromeOS shines when it offers a better, more affordable alternative to Windows laptops. But with the rapid advancements in Windows hardware, and even more so with macOS devices, purchasing a slightly older but fully capable traditional laptop often makes more sense. Alternatively, saving a bit more money to invest in a new, high-quality machine can be a smarter choice. But here's where it gets controversial. Are premium Chromebooks trying to compete in a space where they inherit? Do you think they offer enough value to justify their price tags, or are they destined to remain niche products? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. For those interested in more ChromeOS news and updates, here are some recent highlights. Google will end Steam support for Chromebooks in 2026, which could impact gaming on the platform. Google has clarified how ChromeOS will evolve as an experience layered on top of Android. Hinting at deeper integration, the Chromebook Plus is getting its own Circle to Search feature with expanded actions, enhancing usability. Stay connected with me on social media for more insights: Twitter, X, Threads, Blue Sky, and Instagram. And don't forget to add 9 to 5 Google to your Google newsfeed for the latest updates. FTC disclosure. This article contains affiliate links that may earn us income at no extra cost to you.